How do pop-up matcha drink stands create viral drink videos? They create short, visually satisfying videos by combining a clear preparation process, strong colors, interesting textures, and a story people want to share. The best videos usually begin with an eye-catching moment such as bright green matcha being sifted, whisked into a smooth foam, or poured slowly over ice. The camera stays close so viewers can see the powder disappear and the drink change color. Natural light helps the green matcha look fresh, while a simple background keeps attention on the cup. Creators often show the full process in a few quick steps, from scooping the matcha to adding milk and a final topping. A surprising detail is that the sound can matter almost as much as the image, because whisking, pouring, and ice cracking can make the video feel satisfying even without music. The stand also gives the drink a personality by using a recognizable cup, a playful name, or a local location that makes people curious. To make this actionable, record several vertical clips, keep each shot short, and arrange them into a beginning, middle, and final reveal. End with the finished drink, a simple question, or a reason to visit before the viewer scrolls away. A common mistake is filming in dim light, which makes the matcha look dull, so record near a window or use a soft light facing the drink. Another mistake is showing too much talking before the preparation begins, so place the most colorful action in the first few seconds. Some sellers also copy popular videos too closely, which can make their content forgettable, so add something unique, such as a regional flavor, a customer reaction, or a behind-the-scenes detail. Be careful not to overuse artificial coloring, since customers usually trust drinks that look naturally vibrant and taste balanced. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.